Welcome makers! Today we're making a money crown. This tutorial has been highly requested. I'm using a piece of cardboard for my base. My piece of cardboard is about 20 inches, and so I'm gonna measure in 6 inches on both sides, and this is gonna be the side of my crown. And I think I'm gonna do each side about 3 inches wide. Okay, and then I think I'm just gonna have this be a rounded shape. Okay, so I think we're gonna do something like that, and then I'm just gonna cut out my shape. Found some stuff, and I think I'm gonna do a base layer of decorations first, and then add the money. For the decorations, I'm gonna do a combination of stapling and hot gluing my decorations on, and I am gonna use artificial money today just because I'm just doing this for the tutorial. I'm not gonna be giving this to anyone, but I will treat it like real money, and I think that I'm gonna try to do the double-sided tape to attach it to the crown. Okay, so I'm gonna add some ribbon. I'm gonna glue it onto the front so that when you wear the crown, it will go like that and you can tie it in the back. In this specific design, there are 3 money folds that I'm gonna do, and pretty basic ones. So the first one, I'm just gonna do an accordion fold with $1 bill. I'm just going to put a rubber band around the center, and then I'm going to use double-sided tape on each side to make a circle. For my next fold, I'm just gonna do some really simple shapes. And so the way that I'm folding this is I am folding my bill in half. And then I'm gonna fold in one side of my bill to make that at the top, and then I'm gonna fold into the center line, and then I'm gonna fold this up to the S in states. For my particular design, I need 14 of these. So far, it is staying on there and working pretty well. Basically, my cardboard will naturally fold when it's worn around, but yeah, so these are staying on there. Now I am going to use the glue and the double stick tape to attach these bills. Okay, so I added this layer of felt, and then this is just a thin piece of foam. I'm gonna glue it down right here, and I'm gonna use double stick tape right there just so it's comfortable to wear. Here is my finished money crown. I used 15 right here, and then just a couple. So in total, this is under $30 that I used. And then this is what it's gonna look like when it is being worn. So I think it turned out pretty good.